All right, so 3-2. This one, we're just going to continue off. You don't need to rewrite the date or the month or the year of the month. You just need to have the actual day of the month. So we're continuing on the 5th. It says bought supplies on account from Palm Supply. So what are my two accounts that I'm dealing with? It gives you the list above. Bought what? Bought supplies. Scott, or from Palm Supply.
I honestly don't know where you're looking.
I'm on page 67.
We're on page 79.
You shouldn't be. You should be right here. Work together. It's 3-1. 67 is 3-2. No, I'm back with you. I'm back this way. I'm just going to sub out the on your own. So I'm not going to have you do the on your own. I'll just have you do the applications instead of the on your own. So if I come in, bought supplies on account from Palm Supply, my two accounts are supplies and what? Accounts payable, Palm Supplies. So which of the two is going to be debited? What am I getting? I'm getting supplies, right?
Yeah.
Supplies is an asset. Assets increase on which side? Debit side. So I know I've got supplies. And then by default, the other one has to be credited. Accounts payable. Palm Supply, asset, liability, or owner's equity. That is a liability. Is our liability increasing or decreasing? Are we owing more money or less money? You owe more money. So liabilities increase on the credit side. So this increase. So our equation stays intact. M1 stands for memorandum. Memorandum just means I make myself a note that I'm going to owe this money later. So M1, memorandum 1, $500. $500. Right there. On the 7th, says we paid cash for insurance, $300. What are my two accounts? PPI and cash. Am I getting more insurance or less insurance? So therefore it is increasing on the debit side. So I'm going to write the 7th. PPI. Cash. C2. C stands for what? Check number 2. $300. And then the last one here says paid cash on account to Palm Supply for $250, C3. So what are my two accounts? Accounts payable and okay. So are we gaining cash or losing cash?
You're losing cash, so it's credited.
Cash is going to be credited. Accounts payable, the amount of money that we owe is going to go down because we're paying it. So I am accounts payable, Palm Supply, cash. C3, what's the C stand for? Check 3. All right, check number 3. 250. $250. All right. Normally I'd have you do the on your own right now, but I didn't give you the on your own. So you're gonna flip to the application and do application 3.2 real quick.